until mid-July. Stopped to be worrying mid-July for Bastille Day, 14th of July, it stopped raining. And it's, as the water supply was there, the vine really ripened at a level that we had never seen before. So we reached level of record with 09, and I think we made it, all of us made a wonderful vintage, which was in very much demand because, you know, 07, 08 was marked by the crisis, financial crisis, and Bordeaux classified growth are very linked. The market is very dependent of the economy and the state of mind of the people in the economy. So it was really a period. So we sell 09 in 10, you remember, and the mood was good again, and it was a demand for great vintage. So the marks, the ratings given by influential writers were very good, and then it was a big hype around 09. But I think it deserved. When we made it, I think that's the best vintage we've made again after 05. The thing I didn't know at the time is 10 would be coming, and I think we made better with 10. That's my impression. Now 16 has come, and we think maybe 16 will be the leader. One word about blend, but you will see very small difference between, for example, 05, 9, and 10, and 14, sorry. 46% Cabernet, 44 Merlot, 6 Cabernet Franc, 4 Petit Verdot. Whereas 14 is 39% Cabernet Sauvignon, 51%. So that's the highest ever. Highest ever, I should remember that. Merlot, 51% Merlot, 5% Cabernet Franc, 5% Petit Verdot. Then we decreased again with 15 and 16. But 51, it has never been that high. Why? Because in 14, the vintage, another one was a bit difficult. The weather started to be good late, last days of August, and it became dry and ripen. But then the crop of Cabernet went really down. So we made a very small crop of Cabernet, and then and the average, the crop I didn't mention, the crop levels. In Saint-Julien, we can, you know, we're in the appellation system, and the quantity you can crop is the government or the body in charge of that called INAO, put some limits. So you've got a limit, and if you produce more, you have to destroy everything above the limit. But it has been a long time, since 04, we've never reached the limit anymore. Last time we got the limit, we went to the limit was 04. So it's that, and that's an effect of the change of the weather pattern. So in 13 we rock bottom. It was a disaster, lowest crop ever in history, in known history anyway. 28 hectoliters. We are up with 14 to 38. 38 out of 57 we can get. So it's not a big crop. It's a reasonably small crop. And then Merlot were really nice, very elegant, very nice. But the crop of Cabernet was very small, so it disbalanced. Another way of doing could have been to reduce the quantity produced and rebalance the blend. But when we blend, we look for balance, we look for harmony, and if it's a balance we like with 51% Merlot, I will do it this way. And we had good appreciation with this wine, we had good ratings, and we're quite happy with the result. And maybe many people wouldn't find 51% Merlot if they were tasting blind. So that's not an issue for me. But again, that's a little bit on the other way of what I said previously. I'd like to make a wine with 60% Cabernet, 30% Merlot, no more, and the rest Cabernet Franc, Petit Verdot, or only Petit Verdot. So if one day I manage that, I'll be very happy to have less than 30% Merlot. But it takes time. I'll let you try.